Hello, fellow chefs. It is so nice to have you here at my chef training today. And I know that you're getting ready to write your own recipe. That's so great. So the first thing you need to think about is what food will you prepare? Now, some of you might have never cooked anything before, but that's okay. I assure you, there's something, chef, that you can cook. Maybe it's just cereal, or maybe it's a peanut butter sandwich. Can be simple, that's fine. But come up with a food. Or be creative and make up something you've never had before. Invent something new like cheesy chicken a la cereal, whatever. I'm going to show you my recipe. First, you need to put a title at the top. Let people know what you're making. I wrote recipe for grilled cheese. Yum. And then there's two important parts to your recipe, the ingredients and the directions. So when you do yours, make sure you set up your notebook page like this. So I know that for grilled cheese, there are three ingredients I need. Bread, cheese, and butter. So I did a bullet for each item. Okay, you might have 5 ingredients, you might have 2 ingredients, but you need to tell everyone the ingredients. And it's up to you if you want to tell them how much of the ingredients. You can, or you can leave it simple. So I guess I need 2 slices of bread, 2 slices of cheese, and 2 tablespoons of butter. And this is just to make one sandwich. Okay? So now for the directions. You have a list of transition words to help you on the slides. Transition words tell you to go from one thing to the next. We can also use the text feature of numbers. So you have to think what comes first. So that's a good way to start. First, heat a pan with butter. And of course, chefs, you would only do cooking when somebody at home knows that you're cooking. So if you have something that involves using the oven or the stove, we're just writing about it. We're not doing it without supervision. So for my grilled cheese, you first heat a pan with butter. Let me think, what's the next step? Then you put the cheese inside the bread. Place, I'm going to say next. Let me add that up here. Next, place cheese inside bread. And I should have really said the. So inside the bread. And then after that, put the sandwich in the pan. Then put the sandwich in the pan. And I need another step because after I put it in the pan, you have to flip the sandwich until the cheese is melted. Flip, um, flip the sandwich until cheese is melted. And then the last step is going to be that you cut it and eat it. I like my grilled cheese cut kind of like in little triangles. Cut and enjoy. And then I'm going to up here, since I have this space, this is optional, but I'm going to try my best to draw a little picture of my grilled cheese. So this will be my frying pan. Maybe since the oven is going to be hot, I'll use red to show that it's hot, hot, hot. And inside, I guess I need brown and yellow. Hold on. Brown is for my bread. And then I'm going to have some yellow cheese inside. And then I guess I have my other piece of brown bread on top. So that's my little picture of my grilled cheese. It's the best drawing I can do, so I'm proud of it. Good luck, chefs, with your recipes. I can't wait to see what you're going to cook up, and I want to try the recipes at home. I'm hungry.